Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best military tactical knives available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Grandway Military Tactical Knife. Knife with folding spring-assisted opening blade and pocket clip has a simple and reliable liner lock that is resistant to dirt and prevents unexpected closure. It is equipped with the thumb studs for right and left hand use. It provides excellent balance of hardness and corrosion resistance, ensures proper operation without sharpening. It provides razor-sharp cutting performance and high durability. Black folding knife is made of durable 440C stainless steel blade coating black oxide. The knife has a simple and reliable liner lock that is resistant to dirt and prevents unexpected closure. It is equipped with the thumb studs for right and left hand opening. This knife is in great demand for campers, hikers, hunters, fishermen, tourists. At number 5 we have ALBATROSS Military Tactical Knife. ALBATROSS designs pocket clips and nylon bag to their weight, use, size, style and hardware more streamlined. The back of the handle features a pocket clip for easy and safe carry. It is sharpness, durability and reliability. You can place the bottle opener on the beer cap and start pressing downward, it will be okay. The handle is made of high-quality aluminum oxide, strong and durable and feel excellent. You can selected this high-quality stainless steel and black finished coated, sharp and durable, wear resistant, high hardness. At number 4 we have Grandway Military Tactical Knife. This pocket knife is made of high-quality materials. It is made of blade material, is 440C stainless steel handle, wood and metal. It is equipped with a glass breaker and pocket clip available. The blade is reinforced with a fuller and has jimping, flipper and thumb studs that enable one-hand opening. The handle is 2 steel liners connected with screws and remote stack bolts and equipped with a glass breaker tip. The ergonomic shape provides a very comfortable and stiff grip. It is a great utility tool crafted from high-quality and sturdy materials for professional and tourism lovers alike. This ergonomic shape provides a very comfortable and firm grip in emergency situations. This knife is perfect for all situations, as it provides incredibly sharp cutting power and high durability. At number 3 we have Swiss Safe Military Tactical Knife. It is built-in liner lock mechanism secures the blade in place when fully open to prevent accidental injury from blade collapsing in on itself. This solid steel superstructure comes with lightweight milled aluminum handles and safety liner lock, provide long-lasting durability and perfect weight balance while ensuring safety during use. It is built-in glass breaker and seatbelt cutter, provide quick access for first responders in emergency rescue situations, or allow individuals ability to escape if doors and or seatbelts have been rendered inoperable. While still pushing on liner lock, use either hand to slightly push the blade in so it begins its folding motion, while remove thumb from liner lock and proceed to fully fold the blade all the way in. At number 2 we have SCCO Military Tactical Knife. This tenacious tactical knife includes a tough sawback clip point blade made from a thick, solid, high-quality 440 stainless steel for long-lasting durability, and treated for optimal edge retention and resistance to rust and corrosion. This high-friction grooved ABS handle comes with steel guard and pommel, provides a no-slip grip for a sturdy hold and efficient use, and comes with picket-any attachment capabilities for bayonet use. It comes with a hard shell sheath featuring clip attachments, fathead screwdriver, wire cutter, nylon storage pouch, and built-in sharpening stone. The design of this knife ensures that you will always ready for action. It featuring a sawback spine, large fuller design barrel ring guard. This knife is built for anything. At number 1 we have Holy Edge Military Tactical Knife. This knife is very sharp. Please use with care and use with care. The bag is safe and easy to carry. This is a 100% brand new high-quality product that is not easily damaged. It maximizes comfort and reduces slip. The 440 stainless steel structure ensures long-term operation without erosion, good rust resistance and high durability. It has a high-quality factory sharpening knife. This may be the best tool in your saber suit or tactical knife case. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best military tactical knives for your need.